clean up when they're done. Since this is just a patent, there's no guarantee Toyota plans to make this device, but pretty interesting there. I don't know if I'd use one of those.
Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
That was in the movie WALL-E, right? WALL-E? Yes. And all the humans just got fat and lazy, right? Yeah. I think I'll keep walking my dog. What we're seeing, though, right now here on this beautiful Saturday morning, you'll notice that we're just seeing some passing clouds on our Muscle Shoals sky camera. This is looking off to the east, and this view brought to you by the Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. You'll also notice that it's a bit hazy there this morning. We're actually still seeing quite a bit of that lingering smoke from the massive wildfires burning in New Mexico right now. So that gave us a kind of a fiery sunrise here this morning about an hour ago. 65 degrees in Muscle Shoals, just a light southeast wind at 3 miles per hour. Take a look at this. This is a look at the smoke from the fires burning in New Mexico. This is going back to 24 hours ago. You can see a lot of that smoke kind of drifting out of New Mexico into Texas and into Oklahoma. All of this smoke here that's dropping south, that's from a couple of days ago. And you'll notice that it's kind of paralleling the cold front that's just off to our west. So over the last 24 hours, we've seen a lot of that smoke kind of moving up towards the Great Lakes and dropping south right into North Alabama. So again, that's why we had all that color here this morning and likely for that sunset yesterday. Other than that, we are seeing dry conditions on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Just some of those passing clouds to go along with some of those hazy conditions. I have to keep a close eye, though, on that thunderstorm complex off to our west. Just continues to fall apart, no longer producing lightning, and we'll continue to see mostly dry conditions with that through the rest of this morning. So we start to heat things up with partly to mostly sunny skies. We'll see highs make it up to the mid-80s today. May even see a few spots make it to the upper 80s, and with all that heat, some pop-up showers and storms will be possible. Tomorrow, I'll drop the chances just a little bit heading through the afternoon, only about a 10 to 20% chance, with highs back up into the mid-80s. We'll call it partly to mostly sunny skies, a little bit more cloud cover in the afternoon hours as we heat things up. Then by tomorrow night, we are tracking our next cold front moving in. This is Sunday night into Monday morning, and you'll notice all the orange on the map. That's indicating a 2 out of 5 severe risk, and you'll notice how it drops off just as it moves into North Alabama. That's because late Sunday night into Monday, a line of thunderstorms will be weakening as it moves in. I'll look at future radar, 8 o'clock this morning into this afternoon. Starting to see some pop-ups off to the northeast, but again, not a whole lot of coverage of showers or storms. Seeing a few popping up closer to Scottsboro and Fort Payne by 6 o'clock this evening, but it does not look like a washout by any means here for today. Then by the overnight hours, some more pop-up showers and storms developing. These are drifting in from out of the north, but again, not a huge coverage of showers and storms all the way through your Sunday morning. Then some pop-ups develop by the late afternoon hours for your Sunday. That's ahead of the cold front, and you'll notice right there, that's the cold front dropping in from out of the northwest. This is 8 o'clock Sunday evening, and then that line of storms kind of falling apart as it moves in, so expecting it to dissipate as it moves through North Alabama. How about rainfall forecast? A trace to about 1/10 of an inch through this weekend, and we're really not going to add on much to that all the way through next work week. So not a washout again by any means. The big story, once we get past the cold front on Monday, we're going to see temperatures staying in the mid-80s on Tuesday, and then we quickly jump up to 91 on Wednesday, 93 on Thursday. A lot of data indicating mid-90s for highs for the second half of next week. So we are going to see some serious heat building in through the extended forecast.